G'day. Well, I've had an experience with my front struts. Now, I've upgraded my coil springs because I wanted the van to sit higher in the front. Where this affected me was the wheel alignment had a positive cam, and so the wheel alignment wouldn't work. So then I had to get these camber bolts to put in the struts to correct that problem. I think the position that they've got it on, then you can see the marks where they've got it. One side was different to the other. I think one side was a zero cam, which means not positive, not negative. It was spot on zero, where the other side was like a -2 or minus 0.2, something like that, negative. So the wheel alignment was good like that, but now I've got a clunking going on, and I don't know where it's coming from. And I think I've might have a bad strut because I've got new strut mounts, the linkages and everything seem okay, the sway bar bushings are okay. I'm looking at the lower control arm bushings and so forth, and they all look okay. So I'm going to pull the strut out, and I'm going to downgrade back to the king springs that I had before these. I don't know if they're longer, but I know that these are stronger to bring the front end up. I think they're longer as well. I just can't remember from when I changed them last. And it's I've put up with it for a while, but that clunking is not going to pass rego, so I have to take it out, find out what's going on. Alright, so I've got the jack underneath the ball joint, the lower ball joint there, just holding support on that so I can undo the top nuts. Now I'm just going to lower this down, and then I can get these loose and take these bolts out. Okay. I've got the sensor here loose on purpose, ABS sensor. There's a bit of pressure on that. The reason why I left it in there is because I don't want anything falling into that hole. I'll just chuck a rag on there for now. Now I want to keep that sensor in there with the pressure on it. Alrighty, let's get this coil spring off. Yeah, definitely no problem there. See, I gave up on playing with those other spring compressors. Got myself a proper tool to do this with. Got set up with playing with my life. A few times those springs broke halfway through retensioning. Oh, this looks perfectly fine. Oh, that's the strut, hear that? That's all that noise. There you go. So it's not the top mount. We do want to make sure that that's on properly, but it's the strut itself that's gone kaput. Even though it's functioning, it's noisy. Perhaps it's this No, something inside. I can wiggle that. Something inside is given out. It's not leaking or anything, and it's still functioning. But pretty easy to push down. And it comes straight up. See? Wouldn't expect it to come straight up like that. Okay, so at least I know what I've got to do. There's no longer a mystery. I can get this fixed now. And because I'm changing the springs as well, we'll go back to the other ones. We'll just let this one out. Okay. I'm not going to take it any further than that out. It's safe now, so I'll just leave it there until I get myself some struts. Just to make this a quick little one, because I've already done videos on changing the struts and all that before. The reason why I have to go back to a smaller spring is because the McPherson suspension's steering setup is auto adjusting cambers as you turn and so forth. That's the way it's designed. Because I went too heavy on the spring on the front, it messed all that up, so it was no longer doing what it should. And I liked it like that. It was about 2 inches higher in the front. Even the king springs, again, 2 inches higher than standard suspension, but I wanted to go higher. That's why I got the bigger springs. And the downfall was I basically just made it hard for myself and have to go back to the other spring. But hopefully you can learn by my mistake. Anyway, there's going to be more videos coming soon. Sorry I haven't been making videos on this channel much. I've just been flat out with other things, working on my other channel as well. And I've got a whole bunch of things to do that's coming up soon.